Risk it to get the biscuit is a colloquial phrase that encapsulates the idea that taking risks and stepping out of one's comfort zone is necessary in order to achieve significant rewards or success. This expression is often used to encourage individuals to embrace challenges, make bold decisions, and pursue opportunities that might involve uncertainty or difficulty. The phrase underscores the notion that substantial gains or accomplishments are often the result of daring actions that require courage and a willingness to confront the unknown. The phrase draws a parallel between risk-taking and reward, using the metaphor of a biscuit to symbolize the desired outcome or prize. Just as in a game or a competition, where taking calculated risks can lead to winning a valuable reward, life itself presents numerous situations where stepping beyond the familiar can yield meaningful benefits. Risk it to get the biscuit is particularly relevant in entrepreneurial and professional contexts. Successful entrepreneurs understand that innovation and growth often come from venturing into uncharted territories, whether it's introducing a groundbreaking product, entering a new market, or adopting a fresh approach. By taking risks and being open to failure, entrepreneurs position themselves for potential breakthroughs that can propel their ventures to new heights. However, the phrase's application extends beyond business. In personal development, pursuing meaningful experiences or self-improvement often requires leaving one's comfort zone. Whether it's traveling to unfamiliar places, engaging in challenging activities, or confronting personal fears, these risks can lead to personal growth, resilience, and a richer life. It's important to note that risk it to get the biscuit doesn't advocate for reckless behavior. Instead, it emphasizes the need for calculated risks decisions made after evaluating potential outcomes and weighing pros and cons. This mindset encourages individuals to be prepared for setbacks, but to also recognize that those who are too cautious may miss out on valuable opportunities. In conclusion, risk it to get the biscuit encapsulates the essence of courageously pursuing endeavors that hold the promise of substantial rewards. It reminds us that life's most satisfying achievements often lie beyond the boundaries of comfort and familiarity. By taking calculated risks, individuals can unlock new possibilities, foster personal and professional growth, and ultimately attain the metaphorical biscuit they are striving for.